Hi everyone, today I will introduce our company's EDM department. It has 6 sets of equipment, 4 Makino imported from Japan, and 2 melodic made in China. We have many technicians with more than 20 years of experience. With the electrode lifecycle management system, we provide high-quality machine service for all molds. Parameters are implanted into electrodes in early CAM design. Workers bind the electrodes with barcodes. The system automatically connects processing, detection, and usage. Japanese finite high-speed machines for electrode processing are equipped with aerial clamping systems, realize unattended processing and high repeat positioning accuracy. The processed electrodes are sent to the Quality Control Department for inspection and finally to the EDM department. That's all for today's introduction. See you next time.